A Bluff Coast original. You.
Hello.
Hello, is this Denny?
Yes, it is.
Hey, how's it going? This is Eric, who is going to be buying the van.
Yeah, we're coming into Waterloo right now.
Awesome, okay. Do you want to just give me a heads up when you guys get closer and I'll be ready for you?
Okay, will do.
Alrighty, thank you.
I was thinking about texting you. Well, we got to get gas, and I was going to text you when I got my gas, but you beat me to it. Okay. Thanks,
Alright,
Eric.
yep, see you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
We're also heading home to go pick up the surprise. That should be arriving here before too long. So,
Yay!
here we go.
There it is.
There it is.
Eric got another van. Willie? Willie's brother. You.
And this is where things start to get interesting. I bought the van sight unseen, was told that it sat for a while, but now ran well and it had an exhaust leak.
Do those ramps just come down?
But a deal is a deal. I counted my bills and handed them over to Denny.
Well, the surprise is here. I bought another van, folks.
Alright, so it's now July 4th, 2019. Yesterday I bought another van. This one is a 1984 Volkswagen Vanagon tin top, so it just has a metal top. It's not a camper, and it's just a 7-passenger van. He started it up to reverse it off the trailer, and it was right then that I was thinking, man, maybe this wasn't the best idea.
All in all, a lot of mixed emotions went into the arrival of our second beloved van, Bummer. But the stinky interior and warm summer days only got my mind racing on what this could become. A blank slate.
That's just wonderful.
So, that's a bummer.
If you'd like to follow along with the rest of the series, make sure to hit subscribe and stay tuned. But if not, that's cool too. Stay coastin'.